Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about subjective pronouns in English. This is an essential part of grammar, and once you understand it, your speaking and writing will improve a lot. Let's dive in! Section 1. What are subjective pronouns? First, let's define what subjective pronouns are. Subjective pronouns are pronouns that perform the action in a sentence. They are used as the subject of a verb. Example, in the sentence, I eat an apple, I is the subjective pronoun because it is doing the action of eating. Section 2. List of subjective pronouns. Now, let's look at the list of subjective pronouns in English. Here they are. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Section 3. Using subjective pronouns in sentences. Let's see how we can use these subjective pronouns in sentences. Example for I like to play soccer. Example for you. You are my best friend. Example for he. He is studying for his exam. Example for she. She loves to read books. Example for it. It is raining outside. Example for we. We are going to the park. Example for they. They enjoy watching movies. Section 4. Practice examples. Now it's your turn. Ready? First one. Runs every morning. He runs every morning. Second one. Love to travel. We love to travel. Third one. Sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. Fourth one. Should try this dessert. You should try this dessert. Last one. Have a big dog. They have a big dog. Great job, everyone! Now you have a better understanding of subjective pronouns. Remember, practice is key. Try to use these pronouns in your daily conversations. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time!